Hi guys, so here I have the old concrete bed, garden bed, and it's a square, and this is going to be my new one. So we leveled out the soil so that we could lay the concrete walls down so they would be level, and we drove some rebar through to connect this one with that one, and then we just put on the eye protection, and I'm going to level out the soil, and then I'm going to put some cardboard down so that it will control the weeds, and throw some nice soil on top and plant away for my fall gardening. It'll be carrots and onions, which grow great together. So here I have the cardboard laid out and with no soil exposed, and then I'm going to put in the gardening soil, and you will see in a moment. Hi guys, so here it is, the garden bed with soil, and I placed the bedding soil, garden and bedding soil, and this Kellogg's Amend, so that it would be nice and full of nutrients. And I said I was going to do carrots and onions, and I believe I cannot do the carrots because they need a lot of depth, and because I laid the cardboard down, it's going to hinder the carrots from going down below. So I think I'm going to do some other veggies that I'm going to look through my seeds and see what I've got to plant here. So see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.